Good evening, and thank you so much for joining us. We're going to begin tonight with that breaking news because the FDA says it is authorizing Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine for children ages 12 to 15. And that is a move that will allow about 17 million teens to get the shots. And it could be another step in reopening schools nationwide this fall. Pfizer says its two-dose vaccine, which has already been given to more than 59 million Americans 16 and older, was also found to be highly effective in this younger age group during recent clinical trials and without any serious side effects. The White House says it is already working on plans to vaccinate teens if a CDC advisory panel signs off on Wednesday. And since millions of Pfizer doses are already available across the country, it's possible some teens could start getting shots later this week. Now, all of this has major implications for parents who have a lot of questions tonight. CBS's Dr. John LaPook is standing by with answers in just a moment. But first, CBS's Meg Oliver is going to lead us off from a new vaccination site in New York. Good evening, Meg.
Norah, good evening. Since the beginning of the pandemic, approximately 1.5 million children ages 11 to 17 have been infected with COVID. Now, in a significant step to vaccinating America, the FDA says kids ages 12 to 15 can get the same two-dose regimen as adults.
Tonight, the FDA has just authorized Pfizer's vaccine to be used in children ages 12 to 15. A CDC advisory committee is expected to vote on Wednesday to give it the final green light. It means vaccines could soon reach nearly 17 million new arms in children as young as 12. And while some parents are hesitant,
for my children, great immune systems, healthy, and we don't know what the vaccine does yet.
some are not. 3 of this father's children have already been vaccinated. His youngest is 15.
A lot of peace of mind, a huge relief, to know that there's something out there that can protect him and all of our kids.
We have to engage parents in the fact that vaccines are a safe and effective way to prevent that infection and help keep our whole community safe.
The debate over vaccinating children comes as infections in kids are up 4% in the last 2 weeks, making up 24% of new cases, while adult cases are plummeting. Dr. Anthony Fauci says mask requirements may soon be relaxed, but public health officials also say the easing of rules depend on enough people getting vaccinated. In a recent study by the Kaiser Family Foundation, nearly a third of parents of children 12 to 15 said they would get their kids vaccinated as soon as possible. Almost half would either wait and see how well the vaccines worked or would comply only if it's required by schools. But nearly 1 in 4 said they would definitely not vaccinate.
What are you encouraging your patients to do?
I'm encouraging my patients to get as many family members vaccinated against COVID-19 as possible.
Today, New York's governor announced a new incentive to get people vaccinated. Starting Wednesday, they will open up 8 transit sites across the city for 5 days, like this one here at Penn Station, for walk-in one-shot vaccinations in exchange for a free subway pass for a week. Nora?
Making it easier for people. All right, Meg Oliver, thank you.